Hey guys, so today we shall be working or unlocking the Airtel Mifi or MTN or any brand. This Mifi is MF927U. If you have this type of Mifi, so it's what we shall be working upon. With me here, I've already downloaded the software with me, which is needed to work upon it. But first of all, you need to extract it, and you also need to install all the given drivers one by one so that we can be able to work upon it. So this is what I'll be showing you guys how to do it. So first of all, you need to install all the given drivers. If you have issues installing drivers, make sure to ask or leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll help you and show you how to do it. So what I'll do, I'll go to device manager here. I'll tap device manager. Then I'll go ahead to open the device manager. I'll open the device manager. I'll open the device manager. So here we go. This is the device manager. So I'll go ahead to install some of the drivers. So I'll click on any of the drivers. Then I'll click on action. I'll say add legacy. Then I'll go ahead to click on next. Then I'll install the hardware that I manually select from the list. I'll follow the on-screen prompts by clicking on next. Then I'll go ahead to have the disks and I'll browse where I've extracted this folder. So this one is on the desktop. So this is the folder. There are in this folder. I'll go ahead to open one by one so that I can install them. So this is the way we install them. I'll start from the last one. Then I'll press OK and click on next as I wait for them to get installed. So you have to do the same to all the other drivers. That is the same way you install them. You have to install all of them for easy way. I'll go ahead to browse, then I'll install this one. I'll click on OK. I'll tap on next, then I'll wait for it to install it till we finish all of them. So I already have the drivers. If they don't work well, I'll go back and try to correct them. So what we shall do, we shall come to our tool, then we shall open this one. We shall go ahead to run this file so that we can connect our Mifi. So I've already installed it, so I might not need all the passwords, but for you, if it is your first time, you'll need to fill this one and fill this key, then go ahead to paste in the password. But for me, I've already done it before, so I'll just go ahead to put in the password and tap on OK. Then I'll wait for the software to load so that we can continue with what we are supposed to do. So I'm supposed to connect the Mifi here. When it is switched on, this is what I will go ahead to do. The Mifi should be switched on. So I have to connect the Mifi when it is switched on. Then these are the following instructions which we have to follow. These are some of the instructions we have to follow, whereby we have to remove the SIM card. We have to make sure the SIM card is not inside the MiFi. And another thing, we have to insert the modem into the USB cable and connect it to the PC. Then we have to click on update and to start update. We have to wait for this button to become functional so that we can click on update. So this is what I'll be doing, and it's what I'll be demonstrating for you here, guys. So I'll go ahead to connect it. Switched on. As you can see now, it is ready. They are saying now click the update button to start the update. So that means if I have all the drivers, it will go ahead to start here, and it will start to download the files until it finishes everything. Make sure your battery is fully charged. As you can see, it is in progress. So we have all the drivers. It is going ahead updating our MiFi. Meanwhile, we have to wait for it until it has to reach 99%. Then when it reaches on 99%, you have to wait for it until it finishes. So if it gets stuck on 99%, just wait for it for 5 more minutes, then you can remove your modem from it. So meanwhile, we have to wait for it until it finalizes with the process. So now it is in 99%. It is showing us results that it is almost done, but let's leave it there for more 5 minutes to be on a safe side. So that's the process of working on this particular MiFi. This is the particular method of working on it. That's how we work on it. Follow the steps on the videos. Follow these steps, then you'll go ahead to work on it. So if you follow these steps to update your USB modem, remove your SIM card from the modem, insert the modem into the USB interface of the computer, wait until the tool detects the modem and update button becomes available. Then you have to click on the update button. Then you do not switch off your computer or start any other application. You have to wait until it's done. So I'm going to leave it for around 5 minutes until the update is done. I won't touch it as it does all the other stuff. So you can see here the drivers and other things. Now you can see it is already in 100% and the update was successfully. So guys, that's how we do it. This is how we do it. As you can see now, it is in 100%. You can go ahead to click on OK. Then let's wait and see the other things so that we can go ahead to configure it and set it afresh. So to set it afresh, what we need to do, this is it here. So this is it. It comes in Jazz 4G MiFi. So what we'll do here, we shall go ahead to open our browser. I normally use the Google Chrome. I'll go ahead to open this browser. Then what I'll do, I'll go ahead to type in 192. As you can see, it is already here. So we shall go ahead, as you can see now, I'll go ahead to insert a SIM card. After inserting a SIM card, so I'll go ahead to update these settings so that I can add the APN and other things so that it can work. So this password is always the same, admin, to log into it. So as you can see, there is no SIM card at the moment, so I'll go ahead to insert the SIM card so that we can see what next. So I'll remove it from the cable. I'll go ahead to insert a SIM card. So that I can set the APNs. Then it will go ahead to restart after inserting a SIM card. So I'll need to reload this page. As you can see now, I'll say yes. I'll click on OK. So guys, as you can see here, this is our SIM card. It's already connected here. As you can see, connected. So what I'll do, I'll have to check these settings to confirm if I have all the serial number. I'll have to check the serial number. If it's there, then this will help us to confirm that it will be working pretty fine, so we can go ahead to add in the APNs and add anything we feel like using on this MiFi. So this is the way how we do it, guys. It's taking long here. I think there is an error. It needs to reload this page. Anyway, I'll go ahead. Yes, finally here. I'll go ahead to reload it for better results. So what we'll do here, this is what the page is not responsive. It is saying wait, it's off and on. Let me reload it so that we can see. So this is it now. It has loaded. As you can see, all the bars are here. It is picking the network very well. So I'll use admin. So I'll go ahead to check the settings to confirm everything. So if you want to add other APN settings, this is where you come from. So you have to make it manual. So if it doesn't work here, you have to go back here a bit, one side here. So this is where you add from. So these ones come automatically, as you can see. So if you want to add any other network, you can go ahead to do the same thing. So what you'll do here, guys, you have to check this information first. Make sure you have this one and this one, because these ones are the most vital, guys. If you don't have these ones, your MiFi won't be able to work. So guys, this is how you work on it. If you get any issue with it, leave me a message, leave me a comment. I'll go ahead to help you fix it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. This is how we do it. I'll provide all the links for the files in the download in the description below. Kindly go ahead and download and enjoy. Leave me a feedback just in case of anything. Thank you for watching. We meet in the next video. If you have any question, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to help you. And also, if you cannot do it, I can do it in the comfort of your zone. your home or any place where you are. We can use team viewer. I can do it for you if you fail to do it for yourself. So this is how we did it. I'll provide all the links and the download for the files in the description, the files which I've used, so you can go ahead and work on them. And if you get any other errors, maybe it has a network issue, please kindly leave me the same message. I'll go ahead to help you. Thank you for watching once again, guys. Until we meet in the next video, bye.